So I'm in the progress of working on a speaker grill for my Honda Accord, and I've been trying to use this roll-around stool as a surface to make my cuts and drawings and all that, and I just don't have much room in here. So this morning I went and I purchased the Worx Pegasus WX051 to give me a little more surface area to work on. So I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up and take a look at it. So let's check it out. I read a lot of online reviews and unboxings and saw a lot of really positive feedback on this. So I'm expecting it to be a really good unit that I'll be happy with. So just cut open the top here. I like this packing. I don't know if you can see this. Look at that, it's really hard, spongy, kind of foam, I guess. So I think the weight on it is 30 pounds. Yeah. So it's 30 pounds. And when it's fully opened up, it's 31 inches by 25 inches, it looks like. And so to open it, all you have to do is have it sideways, grab it, pull out. That's it. First impressions, it's plastic, but it's heavy plastic, so looks like it will hold quite a bit according to the box. 300-pound capacity on each side, and when it's in the Sawhorse position, because these sides let down, pushing on these, it says 1,000 pounds. It's very solid. Yeah. I'll lift this back up. Nothing feels loose about it. It feels pretty secure. And how I was dropping the sides, there's these two little things right here. You just push that one, push that one, and it drops. Of course, here we have two clamps. Well, there's a clamp on each side. That just pulls out. There's little pieces of foam there. Then with these, let's see how you operate it. Okay. So you push in this lever. It moves up and down this way, and this one has a lever here. Push it, and it also slides back and forth. There are kind of rails that's built into the top, and you can take these, put it in there. Somehow this, okay. So you pull this trigger back, and that will allow this to lock in. So you got to move this back and forth. Initially, just pull this lever, it slides back and forth, and then you use the squeeze lever to tighten it up. Very nice. I like. Here's the second one. Yeah, so this should work perfect for what I'm wanting to do. And you can also buy a second one, and it has these little kind of really heavy rubber, looks like links to a chain. Put it here and then take another one. There's little slots. It's on the top right here. Put that there. There's another one here on this side. And you can connect another table, butt it up to this one. Extend your working surface. And it looks like there's even a place, yeah, there's a place on this side as well where you can do the same thing, if you can see that. Put these back so I don't lose them. So yeah, I think this bottom shelf is rated up to 25 pounds. I think I heard. Storage shelf, yep, it's there. Now it's saying something about 2x4 Sawhorse lumber space in these two slots here. It must be when it's in the down position. So let's see what that's all about. So we'll put these back down here. Okay. Slide that back down. Okay. So yeah, here's your slots for the 2x4s. So you can connect two of these together. What else we got? There's some trays where you can set screws and that kind of thing inside this when you're working on it. And it's pretty light. So I guess I guess you just kind of, to fold it up, just lift a little bit in the center right there. That's it. 30 pounds. So yeah, so that's it. So this is going to work out nice. And then you have these, they call them dogs, but they're basically like a scotch. We have these holes in the top. You can put them in, use these clamps to help put something into place, hold it there. Not sure if I will need those at this point or not, but we'll find out before long. So yeah, pretty simple. I mean, there's not really a whole lot to it, but there's a lot to it. I mean, they really thought through the process of this. And this is the piece that I'm going to be working with here. This is the speaker grill that's going to be in my car. So you can see I'm definitely going to be in a much better position to really kind of work with this thing. Oh, and the other thing too is you can also use these clamps, I think, from the side as well. Yeah. Which is, appears how I'm probably going to be using this. Just like that. So now I'll be able to cut my holes in the center. Very nice. Okay, well that's it. This is the Worx Pegasus. There isn't a whole lot to it. Like I said, there is a lot to it. It does a lot of different stuff. So we'll test it out and see how it goes. Cool. All right, thanks for checking out the video. All right.